I'm going to show you how to view a table in Design View. This is the Bavant Publishing database. Here under your Tables Objects, I'm going to right-click on Book Wrap, and I'm going to left-click on Design View. Here are your field names, which is the first column. Second column is your data type, and if you have any descriptions, those will be in the third column. Notice the first one is book rep number. It's your primary key. As you see your symbol key. You have your short text. Remember, if you click in the short text data type for book rep number, an arrow appears. Left click on that down arrow, and notice there are different types of data types. The other thing I wanted to show you for the book rep number field, if you go down on the bottom, you see field size is 2. That was changed. Remember that the maximum is 255, which is the default. But when you think about databases, if you don't need all that storage, you don't want to leave it at 255. You want to go ahead and make sure that you make it the correct size. The other thing you notice is under caption, it's going to be book rep number. This is going to be the label for the field when used on a view. And if you don't change a caption, it would be book rep number. So I just wanted to show you that. Now going back up above and looking in the first column, you have your field names and your data types. So if you click on, for example, street, notice it's still a short text. The field size is 20. And let's go down to the start date. Start date is a date and time field. So I'm going to click down below on Format. Notice all the way over on the right, there's that down arrow. I'm going to click on it, and I'm just showing you there are many different types of dates that you can use for formatting. It just depends on what you do. The next thing I wanted to show you is salary. Notice it's currency. And then look down below, it's currency. Notice decimal places auto. Well, maybe you don't want it auto. So let's say salary is going to be 2 decimal places. So I've changed that to 2. Notice you get this update. It says updates everywhere salary is used. So you want to say, click OK, depending on what. And it's saying OK, and it's displaying no objects need to be updated. So I'm just showing you that you can do different things with that. Bonus rate is a number. Notice it's single. So if I click here, what are my other options? So you've got byte integer, long integer, single, double, etc. So we're going to leave it as single, but let's look at fixed for the format. Notice what we have. I don't want to have it a general number. You can have a currency, which would have the $ in front of it, or a standard, which will have a comma. So if it's 3,456, there would be a comma after the 3, and then .79. You notice again the decimal places. So just remember to click on these things and look at them to see what is available. So what I've shown you is talked about the field names and then the data types. And then down below we looked at field sizes, and we looked at if there was any formatting. Thank you very much.